talk to someone, a professional, if it's really out of hand, because what do you want to do? You want to suffer terribly for the next 10 years? And plus, if you do have a lot of excess negative emotion, it's really hard on you psychophysiologically because you produce a lot of stress hormones, and that makes you old. So it's dangerous physically as well. So, and it's hard on your brain. So if you can get it fixed, fix it. And if it has to be medication, then look, man, you're going to be taking medication at some point in your damn life, you know, because you're going to get sick. And my observation of people has been that, everybody gets sick. And then what happens? Well, this is eliminating random luck. Some people get sick, and then they do everything they can to not be sick, including taking medication, doing whatever they have to, and some of them get better. And others they don't deal with it. And usually they don't get better. So you swallow your pride and you think, oh yeah, I should be able to handle my problems myself. It's like, yeah, well, maybe you should. But maybe, you know, if you're really depressed and you don't take an SSRI, then one day you jump off a building, and that's pretty much the end of you helping yourself. And so, you know, you can take the drug, hopefully it'll help you out. You can get your life back in order if you're fortunate. Then you can go off it, you can taper off it. They're relatively harmless. Weight gain's a problem. Some suppression of sexual function, that's a problem. You know, so they're not without risk, but neither is anything else. So those are relatively straightforward things that you can do that have a high probability of working.